Hey guys, this is Shakti Tech here, back again with another video, and today we'll be unboxing the Audio Technica ATH M40X. Okay, so there's been a lot of debate on whether the M40X is more worth it compared to its more pricier sibling, the M50X. And since I prefer classical music and music that aren't particularly bass heavy, I thought that the M40X would suit me better. And also, every year on the 12th of December, there's like these crazy sales here in Malaysia. It's called Singles Day for whatever reason. And so I got this headphones like for around I saved about 250 ringgit. It usually retails around 500 plus ringgit, and I got it for around 330 ringgit, which is a lot of savings. So yeah, you can see the box. Look at the side, Audio Technica branding, and let's see, professional monitor headphones. Yeah. So yeah, it's basically for monitoring work. I don't think and also for my personal listening. I think that would be great. And it comes with a shorter cable and a longer cable. I'm not really sure about the length. It varies. And also a carrying case. It's leather, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, that's good. And yeah, let's get right into the box, shall we? So basically now I'm going to start like actually unboxing this thing. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I hope it sounds as good as people say. Like, I've watched many YouTube videos saying that the M40X is a way better buy than the M50X. So I'd be curious, because I've tried the M50X before countless times, and yeah, it is more to the bassy side of things. So yeah, I think I'm opening it the wrong side, aren't I? Yeah. So yeah. So this is what you see when you open the box. And in this cardboard compartment here, you can find the leather carrying case that comes with the headphones. The quality of the carrying case is pretty good, and you can opt for a very hard box style case as well, but it costs around 1000 ringgit and I don't think it's worth it. And the headphones itself, so these are the generic black ones. So let's take them out. So now let's look at the headphones itself. So yeah, you can swivel the wheel, but like that. So yeah, let's take them out. So these are leather. These are leather. So yeah, these are leather. Course. So you can replace them, but the sound might be different. As I've noticed with my friend's M50X, the sound might be it might accentuate the highs too much, that it actually hurts your ears. So yeah, be careful if you're planning to replace these leather ear pads for fabric ones. But the fabric ones last longer, so it depends on what you're looking for. So these are the headphones itself, and the cables look quite high quality, so that looks promising. Thank you guys for watching this video. So yeah, I might be doing a review on this, or I might just ask my audiophile friend to give his thoughts on this headset. I think he's more well versed in this topic of audio stuff. I'm more to photography, but yeah, I'll seek his opinion in making the review if I ever do make it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, do share it and do subscribe. I'm trying out new things, since we have to try to stay as unique as possible to succeed on YouTube. So I might be trying out some new concepts. Let's just see how it goes. I'm not sure whether the conventional reviewing kind of model is suitable anymore, but I'm just doing this because my friends wanted to see like how the unboxing experience itself looked like. So yeah. So do share your comments below. What do you like to know about this headset? Like, what do you guys like want to know? And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned to Shakti Tech. Peace.